In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on MoonPay using Apple Pay on your iPhone. First, open the MoonPay app or a partner app that uses MoonPay as the payment gateway. Log in with your email, then enter the verification code sent to your inbox. If it's your first time, complete KYC verification by submitting your ID and basic details so you can use card and Apple Pay payments. On the main screen, tap Buy. Choose the crypto you want to purchase, for example Bitcoin, BTC, or USDT, then select the fiat currency you're paying with, like USD or EUR. Enter how much you want to spend, and you'll see the estimated crypto amount, fees, and rate. Next, add or confirm the wallet address where the crypto should be delivered. This can be an exchange or self-custody wallet. Just make sure it's the correct coin and network. Now, under Payment Method, select Apple Pay. Check the summary one more time. Then double-click your side button and confirm with Face ID or Touch ID to complete the purchase. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.